body weight and also preventing cancer, or if you've already developed cancer, in reducing the cancer size and also reducing its ability to spread to other parts of the body. This plant does it by fighting the properties of cancer. One of the properties of cancer is that your body gets stressed by things from the environment, from the food you do, and so the machinery that produces cells in your body gets damaged because of stress. So this mushroom has some chemical compounds in it that prevents those stressing chemicals that always damage your DNA, and therefore your DNA remains normal and does not produce abnormal cells that later become cancer. 2, when you develop cancer by bad chances, those cancer cells, they don't die, so they produce chemicals that prevents them from dying. So these mushrooms have substances that will make sure that once those cells are produced, the ones we call cancer cells, they actually die, and therefore they don't grow bigger and they don't spread to other parts of the body. The other thing is that cancer cells produce a lot of blood vessels. Because they are growing very fast in your body, they need a lot of blood to also survive. So what these mushrooms do, they prevent the body from allowing the cancer cells within you to produce a lot of blood vessels, so they starve and die. And the other aspect of these cells, of this mushroom, is that they have a substance in it that switches off all the machineries in your body that helps cancer cells to survive in your body. For decreasing weight, these mushrooms are very, very important, because you see, it is too much here. You can eat and get satisfied like a breakfast, but they have little carbohydrate content or low calories, meaning that even if you take too much, the body does not have to extract a lot of carbohydrates, which are later stored in the fat cells in your body, and then you become big or overweight. So when you take a lot of mushrooms, let's say for lunch, breakfast and supper, you get satisfied very fast and you don't eat too much. In that way, you would be reducing on the ability to become overweight. So if you take these mushrooms in the morning, after lunch and supper, you are able to reduce the likelihood of developing cancer, and as well as the likelihood of stopping your cancer to spread if you already have it. And if you're big, these mushrooms will help you to reduce your weight over time. They actually also have an enzyme that helps you to break down a lot of fats that you already have accumulated in your body. So what we do, we get these mushrooms the way they are. They can be dry, they can be wet, and prepare them. You can blend them and drink the juice, or you can boil them and eat them with food, or eat them for breakfast alone. And this is what we're going to show you what we do and how we make it.